The rocket launcher is less effective than the laser cannon, but in my opinion, it's a lot more fun. It fires these tiny rockets with almost no range, but you can actually kill a player in one hit if you hit them center mass. Personally, I prefer to shoot at their feet because it sends them flying, because that's funny. On a quick side note, I actually really like the missiles this thing fires. I feel like it's what the Mark II should have, because it doesn't make much sense that this f***ing little bike has better missiles than a Buzzard, but Rockstar says, fuck logic, let's make money.